Join a close-knit and caring community. A community where you can strive. A community where everyone will know your name. Here at the University of Wales Trinity St David, we prepare students to work in a bilingual Wales. The University of Wales Trinity St David is naturally bilingual, where Welsh and English live side by side. There are so many advantages to being able to work and communicate in Welsh, and with an increasing number of employers stating that employing bilingual staff improves their business, we are here to put you on the right track. If you take advantage of the opportunities to study through the medium of Welsh, or bilingually, the university will support you throughout your studies. With a wide range of courses available, there is something for everyone's taste. With smaller class sizes, a Welsh-speaking personal tutor and bursaries available, you'll be supported along each step of the way. You'll learn specialist terminology in 2 languages and develop bilingual skills, which will help you in the future. If you study part of your course, or the whole course, through the medium of Welsh, you will give yourself the best chance when you are looking for jobs. And what about the social life? Here, as well as being part of the wider UWTSD family, you can choose to be part of our close-knit, friendly and inclusive Welsh community. There will be plenty of opportunities to make friends and have new experiences, from Freshers' Week and international rugby trips to the annual ball. There is a wealth of opportunities and activities awaiting you here. There is a feeling of belonging on campus, and you can choose to live with other Welsh-speaking students. University services are here to support you and are always ready to offer help, which includes well-being, learning, finance, careers advice and safeguarding through the medium of Welsh. And if you wish to learn or develop your Welsh language skills during your time at the university, we have courses and lecturers standing at the ready. You are in safe hands. Join our Welsh community here at UWTSD and open the doors to your future.